Hi gamers, in this video let's find step by step to recover lost save files in Stalker 2 Heart of Chernobyl. Follow these structured steps based on the methods identified in recent discussions and guides. Locating save files. Identify save file location. For Steam users, navigate to the location path as shown in the video. Now for Game Pass users, the path direct as shown in video. Here is the recovery steps. Method 1. Rename old save files. Disable Steam Cloud. Right-click on Stalker 2 in your Steam library, select Properties, and disable Steam Cloud. Backup current saves. Copy all files from the save directory to a separate location for safety. Delete current saves. Navigate to the save folder and delete all existing files. Create a new game. Start a new game and choose a different save slot. Rename old save file. After saving the new game, copy the new save file's name. Delete the new save file and rename an old save file using the copied name. Load the game. Attempt to load the game with the renamed old save file. If it fails, try another old save file until you find one that works. Method 2. Restore previous versions. Use file history if set up. Right-click on the save folder and select Restore previous versions. Choose a version to restore if available. Method 3. Manual backup restoration. If you have previously backed up your save files, you can manually replace the current files with your backups. Locate your backup folder where you stored previous saves. Copy those saved files back into the appropriate save directory, replacing any existing files. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.